fear, freedom, power. These are the three most powerful motivators behind all the actions people take. Think about it. Most of the things you want in this life have to do with one of the above, right? Fear. You are afraid that you will be stuck exactly where you are right now 1, 2, 5 or even 10 years. You are afraid that you are just spinning your wheels in circles and will never get ahead no matter how hard you work. You are afraid you won't ever be able to make any real money online and that you failed your family, yourself, and that your friends were right when they told you that this stuff never works out. You are afraid of not becoming the person you know you deserve to be, who lives a life of happiness, joy, and fulfillment without a worry about money. You are afraid of failure. You are afraid of success. Freedom. You want to be free of worries. You want to be free of the anxiety of living paycheck to paycheck where there never seems to be enough to get ahead. You want the freedom from the guilt you face for not reaching your goals. You want the freedom to do what you want when you want without having to worry about how much it costs. I'm talking about complete time and financial freedom for you and your loved ones. You want freedom from the mental shackles you have put on yourself that limit your beliefs about who you are and what you can really achieve for you and your family. You want freedom from the bills that pile up, the sacrifices you make just to get by, and the feeling in the deep pit in your stomach that if something doesn't change soon you don't know how you'll make it through. You want freedom from doubt. You want freedom from the mental pain and anguish of repeated cycle of excitement and failure. You want the freedom from distraction. You want freedom from the feeling of not being good enough. And you want freedom from worry of wondering, am I doing the right thing? Am I on the right track, because you are tired of seeing others that are not as smart as you achieve the success you know you deserve. Power. You want the power to control your life. You want the power to rely on no one but yourself. You want the power to achieve both time and financial freedom. You want the power to just prove to your spouse, your friends and most importantly yourself that you are not crazy and that you can achieve success online. You want the power to finally take a really nice vacation after all this hard work and still be earning passive income. You want the power to choose your own destiny. You see, almost all human motivation comes from fear, freedom, or power. So empower yourself. Free yourself. And eliminate fear forever. This is what the 12-minute affiliate system can do for you. Don't let fear hold you back from achieving what you want. Don't be enslaved to your current beliefs. Don't let someone else control how you. The solution is right here.